Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marta and on my Instagram it is known as Little Fudge Muffin. That is my art Instagram. Here are my other socials if you're interested. But if you just want to see art stuff, you can keep following this. But yeah, I will get to the video. Today I am doing a tutorial on how to make these wire keychains. Not the embroidered one, but just the wire ones on the side. And here are some things you're going to need. You're going to need some pliers, some wire cutters or some scissors, some kind of keychain to attach it to, and wire and some beads. I'm going to be using the 20 gauge wire. It's a bit thicker, but it's still thin enough to fit these small beads. You could also use 18, but this one's really thick and it's kind of hard to fit through some beads, but it's very sturdy. So to start, I'm going to take my wire and cut it to an amount that I think will fit the beads. I'm going to be replicating these exact two because I'm going to remake this keychain and my beads are right here that I will be using, so I'm just going to estimate it and make it a bit longer as well because it's better to overestimate than underestimate. It's going to pull some wire out, take my wire cutters, cut the amount I think I need. You can either use your round nose pliers to make this loop over here that's at the end of the keychain and then wrap the excess wire around, or you can use, I have this handy little tool right here that does it for you, but you can do it with both. I usually like to do the first end as the end that goes on the keychain, so I would recommend making it a bit wider. Once you have it to the width that you want it to, I like to hold it with the flat nose pliers and then wrap the excess around. You can use the other pliers to wrap it or just your fingers. I just use my fingers most of the time. Okay, now I have my end. It's pretty big because I want it to fit. I want it to fit onto this. And now I'm going to start putting my beads on. Okay, now I have all of my beads on and I am going to close the end and also put this charm on. So this time I'm just going to use my round nose pliers and I'm going to wrap it around kind of a bigger part of the plier to give me more space, like this. And I'm going to put the charm on and then I will wrap it around and seal it like this. Just going to adjust my wire. I'm going to hold it with my flat nose pliers and wrap it around. And I like to wrap it around the last bead, but if you don't want that much excess wire on your keychain, you don't have to. As long as you think it's sealed, it's totally fine. And I'm just going to cut off the extra wire. And I'm going to use my flat nose pliers to fold in this last little piece right here, so that it doesn't poke anything. I'll use both my fingers or the pliers to kind of adjust some pieces because this looks a bit crooked to me. And here is one part of the keychain and we will do the other side, which will be easier because we don't have to add a charm. And again, we're gonna cut some of the wire and kind of estimate how much we need. It's better to overestimate than underestimate, so I'm just gonna say about this much. Use my wire cutters, cut it off. And I'm going to start one of the ends. I like using my round nose pliers, ring nose, I don't even know what it's called. And I'm gonna fold it over kind of a thicker part of the plier here to give it more space. And then keep the main part of the wire straight. I'm gonna take my flat nose pliers, hold the ring, if I can get it, hold the ring, and wrap the excess wire around just to seal it and make sure it's nice and sturdy. Once your wire is closed here, you can go ahead and start putting beads on. I like to start from the beginning and then seal it at the end, at the bottom of the keychain, just in case if I want to add a charm or anything. Okay, now I have all of my beads on and I'm going to seal the end of this. I'm not putting a charm onto it because this end of my other keychain didn't have it. It was just wrapped around the bead down here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna straighten out my wire a bit. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers. I'm gonna wrap it around maybe more of a middle part, a smaller part, because I don't need to put anything on this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start wrapping it while I have a hold of it with the wire, with the plier. I'm going to adjust my wire to where I want it to be. This is usually better to do at the beginning, but I am just lazy. I have my 2 pieces of keychain and I am going to connect it to this. I'm not going to connect it to the actual chain, I'm going to connect it to the ring part because typically when I make these, I like to connect something else to this because this will just make it longer, but it is just a personal preference. Sometimes I will loop it on, like loop the wire on, but it just makes it harder to put the beads on, so usually I will open up the wire slightly and then just kind of pass it onto the wire or onto the keychain. I'll pass it onto the keychain and just turn it until it's on. And that's how you get your keychains, and I will show another video on how to embroider the smithy because this is my pattern. But yeah, thank you for watching and I hope you'll see my other videos. If this is too hard for you to make or if you just want to buy them, I also sell these. I sell a lot of them. I have BMOs, I have a lot of them that I made my own pattern of. But yeah, I will have my Depop on the screen and I will have my other social medias if you'd like to check that out.